Okay, so I thought I'd show you some tricks here that might be useful if you've got a object that you want to calculate the hydrostatics for, and the sectional area curve is not continuous along the length of the vessel. So in this case I've got a pontoon with 6 floats underneath it, and they end abruptly, so there's a very sharp discontinuity in the sectional area curve. So one thing we can do in MAXSURF and also in Hydromax, which I'll show later, we can specify the locations of the sections where we want to calculate the area. And in MAXSURF this is done in the grid spacing. So if I go to my grid spacing dialog, you can see here I've added 21 stations that are spaced 1 meter. This pontoon has a length of 20 meters starting at -10 meters at the aft perpendicular. So I've got 21 stations spaced evenly 1 meter. And then I've added some extra stations that are 1 millimeter each side of the location of where the floats occur. Where this pontoon is here, which is at -9 meters, I've got one station at 1 millimeter further aft and 1 millimeter forward. So within 2 millimeters I'm going to pick up this discontinuity in the sectional area curve. I could make that even tighter if I wanted, but really I suppose 1 millimeter is sufficient on a 20 meter object. So if I click OK and close that dialog. Now the other thing I need to do is actually change in the modeler preferences the station location. So you'll notice here near the middle the sectional area curve stations are set to automatic, and that actually just sets a number of stations based on the precision, but I can select to use the grid that I just specified, and you can see now that the discontinuities are picked up much more accurately.